This is Maria's garden in Punta Gorda. How everybody's doing? Thank you for all your support and everything. And I really appreciate everybody watching my channel and being sweet and kind. Okay, now let's get to business. Today I'm gonna talk about plumerias. Plumerias are very, very beautiful plants. You see these flowers over here? Very, very beautiful plants, okay? So this one just started blooming not long ago. But what I wanna do, I want to show you a couple things about this plumeria, okay? Why is this way the way it is? Because I make it to be like this, okay? So if you come over here, I can show you inside my plumeria how it is. You see, inside it's a tree. It's a beautiful tree. I love this tree. It makes me happy. It's like tree. I branch here. I make this happen. And I have a white one coming right here next to it. You see this white one? It's coming up here too. I have a white one in here. So it's very, very easy to make it this way. You see how beautiful it is? I started from a cutting course. You can start it from cutting. So two things. First thing, depends where you live, okay? Every time in Florida we have a lot of storms, and depends where you live. If you live in a place where you have a lot of storms, you have to take care of your tree. How you take care of your tree? When you know that you're gonna have like at least 40, about 40, 50 winds, you have to protect the tree, because otherwise will break. They break very, very easy. So every time that we have a storm that I know is gonna be over 40 winds, what I do, this is what I do. Watch. I go here, okay? What I do, and I go like this. I go like this, and that's it. And then I go like this, because I have many of my friends lose trees, many, and beautiful plumeria trees. So what I do this, and you see that? And what's gonna happen? It's gonna happen. The wind is gonna come, and the wind is not gonna break my tree. So that's what I do. You see this? That's what I do. Every time a wind comes, okay? I do the whole tree, and the wind comes, and the wind is not gonna break it. Okay. One more thing that we need to talk about it. This is the right time to start getting it look like a tree, okay? So how you do this, let me see. You need little clippers, clean them up. You see over here is hard. All the way here is hard, okay? And in here, you can see it's very, very tender. Very, very, very tender, okay? So if I decide to make a cutting here, and I cut it here, I'm gonna cut it just for the video, I'm not gonna cut the whole plant, okay? I cut it here, and I get this beautiful flower. It's not gonna give me the new stems in here, none. Why? Because I had to cut it right here, right over here where it's hard. You see this is bark, like brown bark. If I cut it here, I'm gonna have 2 or 3 stems coming out here, okay, next year. So that's how you get your tree this way, okay? And this one too, it's only one. So what I'm gonna do, I'm not cut it there, no, I'm gonna cut it right over here in a kitty corner usually, in an angle like this. And that's what I'm cutting from my baby, to show you how to make your tree split and get bigger and bigger. You cannot do it every year, okay? Because if you do it every year, this branch will become too heavy for the tree. You have to trim it like every 2 years, so you give it time to the tree to get strong. Like this, it's strong in here, and then will split. And then, for example, in here, I have an old cut that is not doing anything. If I cut this one over here, I have a chance of getting 3, 4 more there. So it's a lot of sap. Keep it in mind, some people are allergic to this sap. I'm not allergic to anything. I'm not allergic to anything, so I can touch anything, ivy, whatever is coming to me. The plants protect me. They love me. Yeah, kiss my face. Anyway, but this I know, I hear about a lot of people. My sister-in-law actually, she touches up and she break up her face, everything. So be careful about it. You have one, wear gloves, or don't touch this up. And don't get it on the tree after you cut it because it's gonna be dropping. So remember, you can do this only every 2 years. When these branches split and has all kinds of stems, you have to wait at least 2 years for the stems to get strong like this, and otherwise you cannot cut it. I don't have any new stems show you how they look tender because I don't cut it for a while. So this is gonna be a big, big, beautiful, beautiful tree. And you can see it just start blooming, okay? Everywhere it's coming blooms. Look how beautiful. And all you have to put is the phosphorus fertilizer, and I will write it in the description. That way you know how to put, and that's for blooming. That's all you gotta do. Care for this plant. I don't do any care except trim it and fertilizer. I don't water it a lot because if you water it a lot, what happens is going to get too big and overgrow. So you sometimes you let some type of plants you just gotta let them be slowly grow by themselves and get strong. Okay, if anybody has any questions about this baby, and this is the right time because it's not raining, okay? So wherever state you live, if you go into winter time, okay, this is why you cut it. If you are into the rain season, I will not recommend cutting it. Over here, we don't have hardly any rain anymore. So depends on what you are in because if you are in a cold place, you can do it, but not raining. You have to wait. Doesn't matter what state, country you live. Wait until you stop. The rain stop and you go into winter. Let's put it that way, okay? Thank you for watching my channel. Until next time, from Maria's Garden. Bye bye.